Let me start our presentation by wishing everyone a very good day. So my name is NWKR Vitarana and we are group number 34. So using what we learned theoretically in the computer-based accounting subject, we had the opportunity to prepare an accounting solution that can be used practically for a newly started company using Excel software. If we turn to the company we have chosen for that, the name of the company is Sampath Kokomin. The owner of this company is Mr. D. Lahiru Sampath, and mainly what they do is bring coconut nuts from coconut estates in Kurunagala area and adding new value to them and releasing the manufactured product to the market. So I invite Popudu to come and give a complete introduction about this company. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Goshan. My work is introduce this business. Now look at the company started as a sole proprietorship in 2021. It is established in Kurunagala district. If we look at the owner of the business, his name is Mr. Lahiru Sampath. He has no business family background, and also he has no previous business experience. This is his first business. If we look at the nature of the business, this involves buying coconut from coconut estates, selling them and selling them as raw materials to other coconut related manufacturing companies. Here they sell as four products. They are coconut husk chips, coconut husk powder, and coconut shells, and coconut copperas. Mm, and are sold separately. The businesses currently does not have much machinery and only the essentials. The business is currently in the initial growth phase. If we look at the accounting of the business, the accounting work is done in manual bookkeeping method. Here, income and expenses are mentioned separately in the books. This is done by the owner of the business or his assistant. The work to calculate their profit once a month, but the have to spend have lot of time and efforts once a month for this. Therefore, there is some doubt as to whether those calculations are done correctly. The owner also does not have much knowledge uh, of accounting. Due to those reasons, it appears that the company accounting activities are at a weak level. There is a lot of coconut related businesses in the area where these businesses is allocated. So there is some competition in buying coconut. The price of coconut in the market is changing from time to time. The price of the product sold will also increase or decrease in proportion to the change in price, and because the products made by this are a basic raw material for other coconut related manufacturing companies. They continue their sales activities without any hindrance. Thank you. Next, I invite to Miss Takshila continue this.
Thank you, Budu. I will explain about the issues that we identify with the business we chose. Here we have present how the problematic issues created through the issues based on the fishbone diagram. Under this, we can identify 6 main areas. Those are people, management, process, environment, method, and technology. We couldn't see issues under these areas. Uh, due to these areas, the problem of the maintaining effective bookkeeping and stock management technology are arise. Uh, we are of the opinion that this problematic situation can lead to big problem for the company when they moving forward uh, in the industry as a startup business. I will explain about this area one by one. First one is people. Um, the issues that we identify under this area is that the business has not good enough workers and they don't have job specialization and not maintaining proper communication system. Management area. The business has not maintaining proper documentation, inadequate knowledge of the administration and lack of the follow-up. Next one is process. The business not having a technical tool for the documentation and stock management, and they have not maintaining a written reporting for financial transaction. Environmental. Um, they environmental, uh, they delay to response for their customers' order and not using a proper system to maintain process of suppliers, and climate changes also make an impact. Method area. All the reporting system methods and documentations are doing manually. This cause to occur calculations errors also. Next one is technology. Not using proper knowledge about the technology and not using technical tool to inventory management and accounting. Now I invite to Koshan to present about our main issue.
Thank you, Tashmila. So when we come to the main issue of this company, let's see the proposed model to rectify the this issue and what is the main issue. The purchase, stock control, sales of products, remuneration of employees, and other activities related to this organization are done with the help of books of account. As the Pupudu mentioned before. Therefore, we were able to see various problematic situations and problems in all the activities of this company, from buying coconut to selling them. Also, since the raw material used in this production of this company called the coconut, and these coconut are bought in the coconut estates in bulk, and they have to be stored, as it is always difficult to physically count those coconut. So that cause various difficulties arising in stock control. Therefore, we pay close attention to each aspect of the each aspect of the organization and record all the activities that take place from purchase of coconut with the help of Excel, and hope to provide a good accounting solution to reduce those problems. So next I invite Chamo to continue the presentation.
Thank you, Koshan. My part is problems in stock control and bookkeeping. Under that, the basic ingredient for the products of our chosen company is coconut. for the coconuts are bought in bulk from coconut estates and stored. Due to the difficulty of counting coconuts regularly and the large number of units, the need for inventory control arises. Purchases and sale of coconuts are recorded in the accounts books, so there is a possibility of various irregularities. Difficulty in accurately calculating the company's turnover and profit. Next, understand the areas to be addressed. Coconut meal process, under that purchasing raw coconut nuts from coconut estates, grading coconut nuts, removing husks from the coconut and selling four products as coconut chips, coconut copra, coconut husk powder, and coconut shells. Uh, this end of my part, and I would like to invite Damita to continue our presentation.
Thank you, Jamod. Uh, in this presentation, I am going to talking about Excel development of the inventory calculation. So this is the dashboard of the Excel. In this, any can monthly entry to the taken details about stock purchasing, selling, profit, and loss by clicking the related monthly. Let's see how that process going to as example in the going to January. So they are three tables. In first table, we included the purchasing and selling about the daily and based monthly in purchasing column. We show how many show how many products want to purchase in the day, and in also divided into category as a minimum, average, maximum purchase for this day, and stock green column for the monthly. So in minimum day column, B show minimum purchase for the day, and average column show average purchase of the day, maximum limit of the purchase, and stock green column show the monthly target of the purchasing. So when look at the selling column, it also has same function as purchasing column. So this is how first table process keep keep. When look at the second table, in this, we show purchasing and selling information in details for the monthly. So they and for main function, there's an operation of opening stock, purchasing, selling, and end stock. In opening stock, can see how many stock available in the beginning of the month. In purchasing column, show purchasing amount related to month. In selling column, can see a selling amount of the month, and they are red tasked. So that a red task mean show incomplete selling target. When moved to in stock, it show the in stock of the month, and it also read a task when it is incomplete, and when it complete, it has a green task. So end of the table can see a purchasing and selling in detail information about that daily based. They also included the red and green task. When look at the third table, it show expenses of the organization for the daily based. Finally, I am going to take about what are the function used to this Excel. Hyperlink, we look up some and condition formation. Thank you. That included our presentation.